I just would like to say what an honor and privilege it is for me to be part of this very, very important day and this honorable ceremony for our newly elected, the most honorable Lorraine Diamond County Court Judge, former district attorney here in Montgomery County. As I stated earlier, it is a huge honor and a privilege to participate in today's swearing-in ceremony. I wanted to share a few things that District Attorney Diamond has completed and performed in the last few years, leading the pathway for her to become our newest elected county court judge. In a short 4 years, may I add, because we wanted her longer. When she took office as the district attorney, there was 14,400 open cases. As she leaves office from the district attorney, there is 1,200. You can imagine the amount of work put into clearing up those cases. And those aren't cases that are dismissed, or those are cases that the hard work between her and her staff were put in and found resolutions to them that benefited the victims, the community, and the defendants, fair and just as well as they should be.
I've had the pleasure of knowing Lorraine for the past 17 years. First, when we worked together in Fulton County, and for the last several years during our time here in Montgomery County. And although I've known Lorraine for so many years, I'd say we really became good friends in 2020 when she ran for district attorney. The previous year, I had ventured into politics, and obstacles that I had faced in my campaign, coincidentally, she faced in her run for district attorney. But that didn't deter Lorraine, because not only did she believe in herself, but she knew that there was a great deal that she could bring to the position of district attorney of Montgomery County. So not only is this a special and an auspicious day because we get to witness our friend achieve a milestone in her career, but for the people of Montgomery County, it's also a historic day. Because never once in the 253-year history of Montgomery County have we had a female county court judge until today. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, Lorraine Diamond,
I, Lorraine Diamond,
do solemnly swear
that
I will support the Constitution of the United States
I will support the Constitution of the United States
and the Constitution of the State of New York,
and the Constitution of the State of New York,
and that I will well, honestly, and faithfully discharge the duties of County Court Judge of Montgomery County to the best of my ability. So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations,
Thank you, Judge.
Diamond.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you. Love you. Thank you, Sheriff Smith and Judge Singh, for the kind words, and to the Honor Guard, my fellow judges, and all of you who came out to support me today as the first woman to be sworn in as County Court Judge in Montgomery County. Who would have known we would be here 5 years ago when I ran the race of my life for District Attorney? Each and every person who believed in me, supported me, whether it was signatures, signs, phone calls, or fundraisers, you helped me make this a reality. I am truly proud and honored to be embarking on this new chapter in my career and a lifelong commitment to public service. I would first like to begin by thanking my family for their unflagging support and encouragement. The phone calls, the early mornings and late nights throughout campaigning and my career, without you, none of this would have been possible. I especially thank my children. You have grown up watching me juggle responsibilities. You saw that the struggle in balancing work and family was real, but I know that you've learned that hard work doesn't always come easy, but it pays off. And even when we face challenges, we never give up on what matters. Watching you develop these traits fills my heart with pride, and I know that you are becoming not just wonderful individuals, but people who will make a real difference in the world. For that, I am thankful and proud. To the good people of Montgomery County, I thank you for your confidence in me. It is an honor to be entrusted with such an important role, one that comes with responsibility of upholding justice for all, whether in the cases of those who have been accused of crimes or those who have been harmed by them. As I transition from my role as district attorney to county court judge, I reflect on the path that has brought me here as district attorney. I was striving to ensure that justice was not only done, but justice was seen to be done. I worked closely with law enforcement and I witnessed firsthand their dedication, their sacrifices, and their unwavering commitment to our community and in keeping it safe. I want to take a moment to offer my heartfelt thanks to the men and women of law enforcement who serve our community every day with courage, integrity, and professionalism. I would also like to thank newly elected DA Pearson, who was my first assistant, and all of the ADA staff, all of the ADAs and the DA staff for their dedication to this process these last 4 years and their unwavering support for our mission. I am deeply grateful for your partnership in the pursuit of justice. At the same time, I recognize the critical role that the defense bar plays in our system. As a former public defender and defense attorney, I have seen how essential it is to have a robust and well-functioning defense system. The defense attorneys who practice in this county are not just advocates for their clients, they are guardians of our constitutional rights and essential partners in ensuring that justice is served. I have always had great respect for attorneys who fight zealously for their clients, ensuring that the principles of due process and fairness are upheld at every turn. I deeply appreciate the dedication and professionalism of the defense bar, and I look forward to working with all of you in this new capacity. To the judges with whom I have worked, thank you for setting the bar for excellence and fairness. Your dedication to the law, your commitment to justice, and your unwavering professionalism are qualities I deeply admire and I aspire to hold with my own service to this court. I have said over and over that the district attorney's position has been the best job I've ever had thus far in my career. I have been promised by Judges Katina and Tomlinson that the best is yet to come. There are big shoes to fill out there, and namely, he's sitting second in the first row, Judge Katina. Big shoes to fill out there, but I can promise all of you that I will do everything in my capacity to fill those shoes to the best of my abilities. Thank you so much for coming out and witnessing this here today. And I just want to take a quick moment, that was the end of the written speech, but to digress a little, how honored I am to see so many of you, friends and family, law enforcement members, American Legion and veterans members, and all of these judges that I've worked with for so many years, members of the county, you know, it's such an incredible honor. And I'm really humbled by it. I want to tell you that. I'm so humbled by it and appreciative that you're here for me today. I started out in town court, so I practiced before all of the town court judges as well. And along with the county courts and the Supreme Court, they have a huge responsibility, and it's been an honor to practice before them, and now an even bigger honor to be sitting on the benches alongside of them.